Have you ever seen nearly 100 people carry an entire house with their bare hands? Welcome to the mountains of Vietnam, where community spirit turns the impossible into reality. In this remote village, neighbors gather together not for a festival, but for something truly extraordinary. Moving a family's wooden stilt house to a brand new location. With laughter, shouts of encouragement, and pure teamwork, men and women lift the bamboo frame and thatched roof high above their shoulders. Step by step, the entire house slowly walks across the fields, carried only by human strength. This tradition is more than just practical. It reflects the deep solidarity of Vietnamese highland communities, where every family can rely on their relatives and neighbors in times of need. No machines, no trucks, just unity and helping hands. To outsiders, it may look unusual, even humorous, a moving house with legs. But here, it is a way of life, an expression of resilience, generosity, and joy. This is Vietnam, where tradition, culture, and community spirit create moments you'll never forget. Would you join in to help carry a house? If you love this glimpse of village life, please like, share, and subscribe for more unique Vietnam stories. Thank you.